So welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, do want to click on the subscribe button, guys. Like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. Now let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. First thing first, we will need to start with our trend. And as you can clearly see on our Swiss franc JPY, we are in an uptrend move. So this is our high on our daily time frame. Then here comes the higher low. This is the higher high, right? And here comes the higher low. Markets push up again to form another higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market push up again to form another higher high. And here comes the higher low, right? So market push up again to form another higher high. Here comes the higher low. So with this higher low, we should be expecting market to push up again till it is able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out all this previous high. So a bullish move is what we will be anticipating for next on our Swiss franc JPY. So guys, we should be anticipating for a bullish move next on Swiss franc JPY. So now this is what Swiss franc JPY is now giving us. So we are seeing multiple rejection at this zone here. And it gave us multiple rejection at this zone, then push up. So a pullback and now another push up, right? What we'll be expecting. So for the day, for today, which is a Monday, we should expect Swiss franc JPY to give us a bullish move. So market should open and close bullish for the day. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button, like and share.